Hello everyone, my name is Shantan Moitro and welcome back to my channel Excel Guru. So in my earlier video I had covered a topic of data validation and where I showed a very basic use of data validation, how you can apply basic rules or basic criteria to a single cell as per your requirements. Right. So in this video I will take that topic a bit forward and will try to show you a different thing that you can derive from data validation, and the name of that topic or name of that thing is dependent drop down menu. So what is this dependent drop down menu? Basically, this dependent drop down menu is a list or a series of items that we get based on a particular cell. That means the figure that we put in one cell and the figure that we want to get, the result figure that we want to get in another cell will depend on the figure that we have put in the previous cell. So trying to explain this with the help of an example, you can see that I have a number of smartphone brands and their respective model names. For example, Xiaomi has Note 7, Note 8, Note 9. Samsung has S9, S10, S20. Realme has 5 Pro, 6 Pro, and the 5i, and Vivo has these three. So, how will I use the dependent drop down menu here? Here I have a make column, that means my company name, and we have the model here. So in this yellow cell I will give the name of the companies, and in this green cell I will get the resultant model names of that company. For example, if I want to give here the name Xiaomi, then in this green cell I will get the model for Xiaomi. Similarly for Samsung, I want to get the model for Samsung. So how do we do it? So first we will go here in the yellow cell, then we will go to data and data validation, and from this dialog box that opens, and from this menu or list of options, we will select the list option, right? And the source we will give as these four brand names, right? And we will hit OK. Now you can see that a small drop down menu appears here, and if we click here we can see that all the four brand names are here. So let's click on Samsung, right? Our next step will be to select the entire table, then go to formulas and click on create from selection. Now the dialog box that opens, we will uncheck the left column button box, and we will keep the top row checked because our all the headers are in top row. For example, all the brand names are here in the top row, and if it was in the left column we would have used the left column, bottom row similarly. So here we have kept the top row checked, and we will hit OK. Our next step will include, we will go into that green cell and we will go to data validation, and again we will select the list option here. Now in the source box we will use a formula, and we will use the indirect formula. So what does this indirect formula do? This indirect formula is basically used for getting a result based on a cell. That means this function will make our drop down menu dependent. That means whatever figure we put in this cell or in cell A8, then in cell C8 we will be able to get the results. So here we will use is equal to indirect, and we will open the bracket, and my cell will be this cell. So my results will be based on the Samsung cell, and we will close the bracket and hit OK. Now again this drop down button has appeared, and if we click here we can see that we are getting all the Samsung's model numbers in this cell. Now if I change to Xiaomi just to check whether the dependent drop down is working or not, and again we will click here and give it, and so we can see that we have all the figures of Xiaomi. So this is the basic use or the basic type of dependent drop down menu, or you can say a double dependent drop down menu. and I hope you liked the video. So please press the like button. Do comment on my video because your comment is very valuable and it helps me to improve my content. Share my video if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel for more exciting videos on MX Excel. Till then, see you in the next video.